Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. These releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern, and this is the last releases that will be in the old format. Moving forward, all new releases after this will be in the new format, which is really exciting, so that will premiere next week. I will leave important dates down below regarding that, regarding when this releases, when that releases, as well as the 28th will be the last day to pick up any of this format, the previous formats, extras. So on the 29th, I will be removing all of the old extras from the shop to make room for the new storage system that we have in place for all of the new extras. Y'all, it'll make more sense when the new format comes because we have a lot more add-on options available. So let's get into this release lineup. I am super excited. There's two exclusive kits, one reformat. For some reason last week I thought it was going to be one exclusive art, but then I mixed up. So there's two, which is even more exciting. So this week's color of the week is this really pretty like lavender color. You have it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And these are available until Monday. So they are a limited edition color. The new 10 new doodles for this week. We have a Harry Potter themed sheet. So this is 471, and then also 472 is the house kind of themed items, and the colorways do match the kit that is coming up, so get excited. But I thought to have these in the shop all the time would be nice, so I didn't like pair them with the kit extras. I just put them in with the doodles. This is 473. You have the Tamagotchis, these super cute little star nail polishes, cassette tapes, pom-poms, that was a request, mascara wands, ribbons, brownies, which are so cute. I love brownies so much. It makes me so hungry. And then also toothbrushes. So those are the 10 new doodles for this week. Then let's move on to the foil releases for this week. I do have a foil bundle, and it's going to come in 3 different foil colors. I don't plan on bringing it in any others, maybe matte bronze like down the road, but as of right now, I'm just doing gold, silver, and hollow. And I am super excited about this foil bundle because it is a new design and it is going to be wizard themed. So let me show you it in silver because it's the easiest to see. So like all of our formats, you have the 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays on the right. Oh, I'm obsessed. Let me go closer so you can see everything, all of the little embellishments. This is probably my favorite foil bundle to date. I just think, pat on the back, I killed it. So you have the 2 of those, the 2 bougie boxes, the scripts and icons, and then the bottom washi overlay, the extra headers here, which how fun are these? They have like brooms and wands on them. Like probably my favorite. This is just my favorite bundle ever. Like I just feel like it's beautiful. The deco there, the bottom washi overlays are epic, and I am just obsessed with it. It's just so fun, and I was really proud of it. I actually have a lot of foil bundles coming that I'm just like, chef's kiss, beautiful, but that will come, like I said, in the gold, silver, and hollow, and those will be on the special pricing for until Monday. So those are the 3 new foil bundles, which I'm so pumped about. And then there is also a foil sheet, which is the house crests, and these will come in all 5 foils. So you have gold, silver, rose, hollow, and sparkly hollow. Normally I don't order quote boxes or overlays like this in sparkly hollow. I'm not sure why I did, but it's available. So we have those. And then let's move on into this collection because it is quite big. It does have a monthly, the kit, the extras, which is thick, and a sticker pack. So let's go through the kit first. It does come in a mini kit as well, which all the kits this week come in ultimate and mini. But this is exclusive. Actually, all of the arts this week are exclusive art. 2 of them are new, and 1 of them is a mystery reformat. But this is called Aloha Mora, and it is based off of Harry Potter. I wanted to do something like really neutral and just kind of like encompassed Hogwarts. So you have Dumbledore and Professor McGonagall on the corner. I thought that those would be fun characters to do. And then you have the sorting hat, the Marauders map. You have like different treats. You have Hedwig. You have the castle. You have the beautiful background of the Great Hall. Yeah, right there as well. So pretty. That is a freebie in the ultimate and the mini. Then you have your extra box here, which kind of makes a tall box, but I thought it would look really cool if you like separated them, but still like looked like a tall box. Does that make sense? So you have the different books and the little like acceptance letter and the snitch. So pretty. And then I kept this color palette very neutral because you'll see later on that I have some add-on options that you can make it colorful based on your house. And I think that this palette of the grays with the brown kind of lends to that. So you could either omit the brown and add in, you know, these colors, or if you wanted to just keep it neutral, I feel like you could almost do 2 spreads if you add on the extras and then get a few sheets of your house colorway. Just an idea. And you could do one like neutrals, or like maybe pick like these 3 colors and then use this color with your house color and make 2 spreads out of it. I think that'd be really, really cool because there are quite a few boxes. Like even this box with a quote would be perfection. And I love this bottom washi with all the letters. It just reminds me of the first movie. And then, like I said, the Ultimate and the Mini does come with the extra double box scene as a freebie. And I just love this collection. I think it's so pretty and encompasses Hogwarts and just kind of like feels very first year, which I'm really excited about. So like I said, it does come in an Ultimate kit. It comes in a mini kit. It also comes in a monthly that I'll do a quick flip through real quick. But I think it was just like a gorgeous one to have as a monthly. And you have your sidebar with that gorgeous castle scene. And then there is also the B6 kit, which I'll show you that real quick. And then let me show you the regular kit add-ons. There's so many because I couldn't decide. So there's a 15mm strip if you want to add it on. There's the label sampler if you want to add it on. There is the 4 different house colorways. So for these ones, I did, there's like, they're called G, H, R, and S. This one has the like maroon color and like a gold. And then you have Hufflepuff, which has like a darker color than what's in the kit. You can see it here. It's more of like a black versus the gray. So you have the black and then this like mustard color. And then this one here is a blue and then a darker blue because the other color is like a gray and there's so many grays in the kit. Same with this one. The other color is like a silver. So I did a green and then a darker green. So those are the add-ons, and they have 3 little things, a 3rd box, a half box, and 2 fancy labels. So I feel like a pretty good variety there. And then we have the FAMs. And I wanted to make sure that everyone had an option here as far as something that matches. So I just kind of thought of these as very generic students, and they could be in any house, and these are in the 6 FAMs. So there is 24 different FAM options for this one, which is the most I've ever done. This is me a wild listing to set up, but I think it turned out really cute. And as you can see, like the different looks here, the different colors that change, and then also for the different houses, I did change the book out. Since I had so many drawn, I thought it would be cute to change out the book that was included for the houses. So I thought that that was something neat as well. So let's flip through these. They're the same 6 FAM as normal, and they just have the different houses. So this is FAM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this is Hufflepuff, FAM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'll give you guys a little bit closer of a look. So cute. FAM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then last but certainly not least, because I'm a Slytherin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then last for this collection, we do also have a sticker pack. Our sticker packs are printed on our glossy sticker paper, and then this is just a photo grade like cardstock on backing. So these are the different stickers in the sticker pack, but this is definitely a very large collection, but I thought it was special and exclusive art and beautiful, and I am so excited for it, especially with all of the extras, all the different FAM options. I just think it's lovely, and I'm very excited to use this collection along with the foil bundles. So that is Alohomora. Let's get into the other 2 collections. I will save the next exclusive art, like the new exclusive art, for last, but this one is a reformat. I had mentioned that I had done a bunch of reformats just to kind of prep and have like releases ready to go. Since we're moving to the new format, I did release a lot of these a little bit earlier than I thought I would. So this one is, I believe it was April mystery from last year. So this is a reformat and it's called Royal Tea, and it is a tea party theme that does have some very like little bits of Disney princess vibes. Like the fashion people in here do have very Disney princess like esque kind of like embellishments, and then you have like these little symbols inside of the drinks that are Disney princess symbols. You have the like Belle Tall box here. I love these colors. I just think it's a super pretty kit for spring/summer. I also think it'd be really cute for Mother's Day or a birthday, a weekend you're going out for brunch. You have the extra box here on the fashion, and I love this bottom washi with the kind of like grass. I think that's a really fun one. I think I changed that up. I changed a couple of the boxes up. And then the freebie for the ultimate and the mini is the flat lacing in the different skin tones that is there. So that is the ultimate kit. It, like I said, does come in a mini kit as well. And there is some add-on options for this kit. So you do have the 15mm strip if you want to add it on. There is also the label sampler if you want to add it on, the fashion option, and then also the magical doodles if you want to add those on as well. So last but certainly not least, another exclusive art. This one is new and I am so excited for this one. And I was recently thinking, like after this was already done, I was like, oh, I really need a kit for this. And I was like, oh, this is gonna be a perfect week to use this kit, because otherwise I was just gonna use it as a random summer kit. But we'll get into that after I show you. But I am so excited because I've never seen anyone do a kit with this theme, and I am so ready. And I cannot wait to hear what you have to think, okay? Or what you think. So this is a Wild Thornberries kit. And I love wild thornberries. I love all things like 90s, and I called this one Eliza. This is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And I think it is beyond perfection. You have all the different characters. You have the convoy? I think that's what it's called, the convoy. I love Debbie. She is such a vibe, especially like now. I feel like she's so trendy, and I just am obsessed. I think it's so cute. It's definitely formatted very much so like the Frozen kit, where it's a lot of character boxes, but y'all seem to really like that. The boxes here do make a double box scene if you wanted to put them together with the map, the Debbie's like headphones, the binoculars, the camcorder, and then the little postcard there. I love these patterns, especially the cheetah. I think these colors are so fun for summer. It's just beautiful. The glitter headers, I'm obsessed. And I was thinking, I actually just booked, my best friend is coming here and we are gonna all go as like joint family to the zoo. And I was like, what a perfect kit for the zoo. And this is perfect for a quote box. Oh, and I'm pretty sure that Planet Hannah is coming out with Wild Thornberries. I asked her for those overlays, and it was because this kit was coming. So that is the ultimate kit. I really hope that y'all like it. I'm trying to do some like different themes that I haven't seen this year, and this was one of them that I was very excited for, very passionate about. 15mm strip if you want to add it on, and label sampler if you add it on. But honestly, I think that this is an anytime kit for me. It could be a summer kit. For me, I'm going to be using it for the zoo. I was actually considering asking this artist to do like an add-on of like, you know, 2 animals or something, like an elephant and like a tiger or something, because I think that'd be adorable. But let me know what you think in the comments down below about all of the releases this week. I am super pumped for next week, obviously, for the new format, but this week is one that I was really looking forward to, with not only the 2 exclusive arts that I was just like really pumped to release, along with the new foil bundle that I feel like I was really excited and proud of. So I hope you all like this week's new releases. They'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. I will leave all those dates that I mentioned before in the little description box down below. Otherwise, I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.